Hello, hello, hello! It's me, G Makora. Okay, guys, today we reached the hotel and we check in. So, guys, I will show you our hotel that we're going to stay. Okay, so this is our room. Okay, so this is the toilet. Yeah, this is the toilet. Okay, yeah, it's nice. Okay, and then here the hair dryer, and there's the hot water there, so it's nice. And on this side, the cabinet, the safe box, and we have also some coffee, water. See guys, I'm showing you because in this room we are three, Allison and her friend. So guys, look, this is our things. And yeah, the room not bad, it's so nice. Then as you can see, we are three here, so myself, Allison, and Sandra. Yeah, so this is our room for 3 days. Yeah, and you know, this is the hotel called Hotel Swiss Avenue. So this is downstairs. There's a swimming pool. Yeah, you can see a lot of animals there. You see, there's so many giraffe, deer, hippo, hippopotamus. Then some, these are all the room. They are fully booked. Wow, not bad. You see so many. So right now I'm alone in the room because Allison, they went for massage and do their pedicure. So guys, look at that. So nice, the swimming pool. You can see, beautiful. It's not bad. For 4-star, I think it's not bad. It's so nice. So guys, when you go to Sungai Petani, you can come to the Hotel Swiss Avenue. Yeah, so by the way, guys, we are here for the wedding of Sharon and Vincent. So my daughter is going to be a bridesmaid. So this morning they had the rehearsal at the church. So I accompanied them, and then we went for lunch with the couple, the one who's getting married, Sharon and Vincent. So guys, this is our room. Not bad. And I feel so cold now. Very cold. And I'm alone and I'm doing my work. You see, I'm doing my YouTube channel because I took a lot of photo downstairs. So I took a lot of photo. See guys, so nice. See that? So guys, today maybe around 6 o'clock we're going down for dinner. And yeah, we're going down for dinner, and then I think we're going out for, I don't know where they will bring us, but we're going out to see. Not bad. This is only Sungai Petani, you know. So guys, like and share, subscribe, also comment down below. So it's me, and my OTD for today is this. I'm wearing shorts with my sneakers, and yeah, and my shirt. See, I'm wearing leopard. So guys, hope you like my video. Subscribe. Great people. Have a nice weekend. Bye.